How to use Weidian in English. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Weidian website in English. So let's get started. So for those who didn't know, Weidian is basically a Chinese e-commerce website and it is all designed in Chinese. But if you wish to use it in English, I've got you covered. What you need to do is open any of the search engine you have, such as Safari, Google, or Chrome. Click on it and then go to the search bar and you're going to type in Weidian, press go. And then what you're going to do is click on the first website that pops up that will be whole in Chinese. This is basically in Chinese. Click on it, but if your phone is set to the English language, when you open the website, you should see the option of translate this website to English. However, if you're not able to see that option, what you need to do is click on this option over here, and then you're going to click on translate website. Over here, you're going to click on English. And after a while, you'll be able to see that the whole website has now been translated to English. So that is basically how we can translate the Weidian application or the website to English. So that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.